Hello friends, welcome back to Sijo's classroom. My name is Sijo V. George. Today's our topic is chapter 2 Microorganisms Friend and Foe. The main content of the topics are first, microorganisms, second, where do microorganisms live, and third, friendly microorganisms. Let's discuss the first point. Microorganisms. Definition. The living organisms which cannot be seen by the naked eyes is called microorganisms or microbes. How can we detect the presence of microorganisms in our surrounding? Let's see which instrument is used to find out microorganisms. That instrument is known as microscope. What is microscope? Equipment used to magnify microscopic things or microorganisms. To identify which are the parts included in a microscope, please go through the picture. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups: bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth. There are three common forms of bacteria: bacilli, spirilla, and cocci. Fungi, eukaryotic organisms that digest food externally and absorbs nutrients directly through its cell. Some examples of fungi are given in picture. First one, bread mold. It is multicelled fungi. Next one, asparagus and penicillium. These both are also under the head of multicelled fungi. Algae, a simple non-flowering and typically aquatic plant of a large group that includes the seaweeds and many single-celled forms. Algae contain chlorophyll and that have the ability to conduct photosynthesis. Some examples of algae are shown in the pictures: Chlamydomonas, stack, and Oscillatoria. Protozoa. It comprises the single-celled microscopic animals which include amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms are found everywhere. Therefore, they can live in all types of habitats: air, water, soil, dead and decaying organic matter, inside the body of animals and humans. Microorganisms like amoeba may live alone, whereas fungi and bacteria may live in colonies. Friendly microorganisms. The microorganisms which are useful for us are called friendly microorganisms. Certain areas in which microorganisms are useful for us are food and beverage industry, medicinal uses in agriculture, in cleaning the environment. First point, food and beverage industry. The bacterium Lactobacillus promote the formation of curd from milk. Yeast is used in the preparation of bakery products such as bread and cakes and food items like idli, dosa and dokla. In the case of beverage industry, certain microorganisms are used to manufacture the alcohol from sugar or starch. Wine from fruit juices by a process are called fermentation. Medicinal uses. The antibiotics in industries are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms under controlled conditions. Antibiotics are used in the treatment of infections in human as well as in animals. At the same time, vaccine. Another way to prevent diseases is immunization. Immunization is done by using vaccines. In agriculture, especially increasing the soil fertility, the blue-green algae can fix the atmospheric nitrogen as nitrogen compounds in the soil. The second point of that, symbiotic bacteria. living in the root nodules of the leguminous plants absorb atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into nitrogenous compounds. As a result, these microorganisms enrich the soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. In cleaning the environment, many microorganisms decompose the dead organic waste of plants and animals into simpler and harmless substances. Such simpler substances get into the soil and used by other plants. Thus, microorganisms act as the cleansing agent of the nature. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I will come back soon with next part.